Hello YouTubers, wherever you are across the world, welcome to this new channel, Cowboys 69. As you can see here, I'm a massive Dallas Cowboys fan. I have been since 1989. That's the year I think the Cowboys went 1-15 with Jimmy Johnson, Michael Irvin, Troy Aikman, I believe. And I think a year later, they got the legend that is Emmitt Smith. I grew up in England, so the NFL isn't very popular. Way back then in the 80s, we used to get one game a week, and that was like on a Sunday afternoon, and it was in the late 80s, so it was usually the San Francisco 49ers with Joe Montana and Jerry Rice. I didn't become a Cowboys fan until I actually moved to Texas to play football, or actually as you call it in North America, soccer. So when I went to Texas, I got introduced properly to the gridiron, and I fell in love with the sport, and I started learning it, learning all the rules, watching every game. And like I said, one of my mates at the uni sat me down and we watched the NFL season, and the Cowboys were on, so they were my team. 1-15, so yours truly is no glory hunter. I've been a massive fan since then, and of course they've become really good. A few years later, they won the Super Bowl. You know, Buffalo couldn't get nowhere near them 2 years in a row. So yeah, love the Cowboys, still do. Just showing you some of the football cards that I've collected down the years. I've just come back to collecting about a year ago. This is probably my favourite card that I collected. Emmitt Smith, 1990 draft. First round, it's a pro set. As you can see, fantastic card. I love it. Unfortunately, I did not manage to pull any autographs or anything of that. But I did manage to get a few of the players that I like. Of course, Aikman and Michael Irvin. Love these guys. And this generation, of course, Dak Prescott is a nice die cut 5/25 press proof from Donruss last year. And here's the future Hall of Famer. I'm going to go on a limb here. Zeke, of course, Zeke Elliott. This is my favourite card that I've pulled for him. It's a Crusade Rookies and Stars from last season. I do have plenty of other cards for Cowboy players, but it's not enough space to show them all, and there's loads that need to be actually graded or put safely. I got back into the sport, into collecting a couple of years ago, like I said, and I'm really full on. I like the classics, fantastic product. I like Score, another fantastic product. Very simple made cards, but really retro, especially the classics. I really love that collection. And the Score is very simple, but very well made, glossy cards. I also like buying something of the higher end. So my first video will be one of my favourite products, which is the Donruss Elite. Very well made cards from Panini, and they are very popular from what I've seen from videos on YouTube. And basically I collected the full base set from this last year, but this year I decided to go full on and see if I can pull any decent. There we go. Seal of approval from Panini, who of course won the rights to the NFL, leaving Topps behind. So here we go. Andrew Luck, of course, is on the cover, and he's on the cover of nearly every product, I think, of the NFL this season. Alright guys, I hope you're going to enjoy the video from the start. I hope you understand what I'm on about. If you don't catch any slang, British slang, Liverpudlian, just let me know. Happy to deal. Comments, anything, let me know. And here's a Dallas Cowboys DVD that decided to fall. So here's the first video with a blooper. Fantastic. I love it. I'm not editing. I'm not deleting anything. What you see is what you get. Just like America's Funniest Home Videos. Alright guys, let's get cracking. Rodgers, Packers, base card. A bit of a write-up on the back. Player name. I like it. Very simple. Team badge or logo. Elite. Position. Beautiful cards. Well made. That's why I like them. I like the Elite. For me, they keep improving every year. Unlike, for example, Prism, who for me are stagnating a bit. I don't know what you guys think. Ajay. Good running back for the Dolphins. Here's our first rookie, and it's a numbered Carl Lawson, who's going to play for the Bengals. 335 out of 499. We'll leave the inserts and the special cards here. Dion Lewis, New England, and Corey Coleman, the Browns. Jarvis Landry, Ben Cheeseburger, and boom! I called them boom. I'm sure you've seen it before, but here we go. Kenny Golladay, wide receiver for the Detroit Lions. Nice, clean, on card, pen pals. To be honest, I don't watch the draft, so I don't know the players. I only sort of watched the draft last season because I heard of Zeke Elliott and who might be drafting him, but I have no idea who this kid is. Detroit Lions, wide receiver, and of course, the Lions are well known for having good receivers, don't they? Megatron, who was retired unfortunately. I loved watching him, but here we go. Here's our first hit of the box. Of course, as you guys know, 5 cards, 20 packs per box. 1 on-card pen pal we got, and we're probably going to pull another autograph and a relic card if we're lucky. So we'll see how it goes. But we got our first hit. Frank Gore, David Johnson, fantastic player. Home field advantage, very nice insert. A legend, Jerry Rice. Look at that. Well done card. That's a nice one. Edelman and Zeke Elliott. Fantastic. Look at that. The Redskins defender can't even catch him. Get in. Here we go. CJ Anderson, Broncos. Antonio Brown, one of the best receivers in the league. And this is really lovely. A rookie card. TJ Logan, numbered out of, can't see that, 15. 5 out of 15. Wow, fantastic. TJ Logan. You will find lots of numbered cards in this collection. Kelsey and Dixon Ravens. That's what I like about this product. Get a lot of numbered cards. Cracking on. Isaiah Crowell, Derek Carr. Hopefully he comes back fit again. Here's another numbered card. Ardaria Stewart, a rookie for the Jets. Already photoshopped into the Jets kit. And this one is numbered 58 of 99. Nice one. Alex Smith, very underrated. And Julio Jones, who in my opinion, him with Brown, probably the best two wide receivers in the league. Alright. Jeremy Curley. Allen Robinson, I like him. Here's our first college ties. Mike Williams and Deshaun Watson. Nice insert. Very bright colors. Here we go. Filler. Good if you're sending cards, swapping with people. This will protect the cards. Melvin Gordon. McCoy. Solid running back for the Bills. Trevor Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin, sorry. Paul Perkins. Good running back for the G-Men. Here's Alshon Jeffrey. Another numbered card. 9 of 99. That's a good number. Purple. Another filler. Michael Thomas, good upcoming receiver for the Saints. And Cole Beasley. I really like him for our Cowboys. Very good wide receiver. I believe Beasley had more catches than what's his face? Bryant. Matt Forte. Stafford. Here is numbered to 14. Travin Doral for the Saints. A rookie. This is a blue. They call it status. As you can see here, 13 of 14. This box is stacked. This product is stacked. Ty Montgomery and Marcus Mariota. Some of them packs are a pain in the ass to open. Alright. Robert Kelly. Aaron Donald. Here's our second boom. Turn of the century. And it's a Leonard Fournette. 98 of 99 on sticker signature. Of course, he's going to be with the Jags. They need all the help they could get. Running back. And apparently one of the best running backs of this draft. We shall see. Jared Goff and Cam Newton. Quarterback special. So we've got both our autos already out of the way. I will have an extra bonus for you guys at the end of the video. A showing. Jeremy Hill. JJ Watt. Here's our first man coverage. Luke Kuechly. The linebacker for Panthers. Nice card. Nice inserts in this collection. That's what attracted me to it. Alright. Lamar Miller and Derrick Henry. Two running backs. Carson Palmer. Andy Dalton. Nice Tevin Coleman. Aspirations. 27 of 74. Red. Aspirations. For the Falcons. Here's Dak. Brilliant. We got Dak and Zeke already in the base set. Excellent. Le'Veon Bell, brilliant to watch. Andrew Luck. And here is one of those new ones, Spellbound, where you can see here in the red, we got the M. Here we go. Odell Beckham Jr. And we got the M for that. I don't know if that's numbered. Yeah, it's numbered. Here we go. 17 of 299. Shame I couldn't get an Ezekiel Elliott in the Spellbound. I was hoping for one of them. It's alright. Next one. Flacco and Gronkowski. The Gronk is always gimped. We'll see if he's going to be fit this season. Top notch tight end. Fitzgerald, I like him. Bradford, very erratic. Field vision, another nice insert. Derek Carr for the Oakland Raiders. And this one is numbered to 299, 247. Very nice. Good quarterback. And here's Dez. What's up, Dez? Catch us some balls, lad. Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Freeman, Stephon Diggs, and absolutely brilliant elite coverage, Zeke Elliott. Get in! This is awesome. This is absolutely fantastic. Elite coverage, Zeke Elliott. Patch card, and it's actually two-colored, the black and the navy. That is absolutely fantastic, mate. Alright, I'm sorry, but this is going to take the spot of this one here. Alright. That's brilliant. Eli Manning, Simeon, tidal waves, Aaron Rodgers, the Packers. Really nice insert as well. Not numbered. Lovely card. Baldwin and Tyreek Hill. Another good player. Last season was very solid. Receiving, running, punt returns, you name it. Rodgers, T.Y. Hilton. Fired up, Aaron Rodgers. This is an Aaron Rodgers special, guys. 2 cards, 2 packs in a row. Tidal waves, fired up, purple one, and it is numbered to 49. Wow, brilliant. Alright. Tyrod Taylor, Drew Brees, Marvin Jones, Thomas Rawls for the Seahawks. OBJ, unfortunately the card is bent. I hate that. I really hate that. I know it's a base card, but I hate that. Alright, Demarius Thomas, very good receiver for the Broncos. Here is a rookie, Adam Shaheen, numbered to 499. He's going to be playing for the Bears, and I've never heard of him. Oh, a tight end, 6'6". Alright. Looks a beast. Filler. Jordy Nelson and Jameis Winston. Coming towards the end. Here's Todd Gurley. Jonathan Stewart. Here's one of those, I don't know, cracked ice or whatever you call it. Numbered. Paul Perkins for the Giants. Numbered to 149. Nice card. Filler. That's 4 of them so far. Sammy Watkins and Brandon Cooks. Of course, he's at the Patriots. And of course, New England got him, but he's still in his New Orleans Saints kit. He's going to be a massive, massive weapon for the GOAT. Brady will feed him the ball, and Brandon Cooks will catch that night and day. Tannehill, Jordan Howard, very good running back for the Bears. Rookie, elitist, Juju Smith-Schuster, University of Southern California. That must be one of the best names I've heard, along with the other rookie with the surname of Butt. So Juju Butt would look very good together. But here we go. Rookie Elitist. Juju Smith-Schuster. Terrell Pryor Sr. Of course, he's with the Redskins now. And Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Alright. Last packet. DeAndre Hopkins. Kirk Cousins. Here's another rookie. Brian Hill to 499. DeMarco Murray. And Joey Bosa. So, these are all the base cards. Alright. Leave them here. Really good inserts. Just gonna zoom through them quickly. Lots of numbered cards. We'll go through the hits as well. Alright, guys. First pen pal. First hit of the box, Kenny G. I wonder if he plays the saxophone, because that looks like a G. Yeah, it is. Kenny G. Brilliant. I wonder if this card is going to be worth much. Selling it in the music industry. Alright, next one. We got a turn of the century. Leonard Fournette, numbered to 99. On sticker. Signature. And my favourite, and the one that I nearly fell off my chair. Opening. Elite coverage. Zeke Elliott. 2-colored patch. Dallas Cowboys. I'm really chuffed. I'm chuffed to bits. It's absolutely fantastic box. That was it. I promised you guys a treat. I'm sorry I've gone about 22 minutes. But I did buy some single packets. I just want to show you some of the nice pulls that I had. Quickly. A face-to-face. Cam Newton, Von Miller. And that one's numbered to 99. Victor Cruz for all of you G-men out there. Passing the torch. A black out of 99. 53 out of 99. They call it a black signature. Passing the torch. I'll show you one more. Another cracked ice. Eric Decker for the Jets. Jets, Jets. There we go. Numbered to 149. And what the heck. I'll show you another one. I bought 8 packets. I thought I'd put something good for all your Steelers fans out there. Here's a Field Vision. And it is numbered to 299. Alright guys. So that was it. Sorry, it's taken 23 minutes. It's my first video. I thought I'd treat you guys to a nice box opening of the new Donruss Elite. And introduction to yours truly. Took a bit longer than I thought. I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you enjoyed the openings. I will try to do different things. I'm not privy to a lot of products all the time. But as soon as I get my hands on something, I will upload a video for you guys to watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. Until next time. Cheers.